Hello, I would like to talk today about marketing automation for content marketing based on make.com. Hey, my name is Gala. I'm marketing analyst and expert in Looker Studio, and now make.com. You can see this nice website, and here we have a blog with some articles there. And I want to say that all these pictures were generated automatically. I do automated posts because I have my main website gaylyrappers.com where I'm already tired to do this post manually. I mean, I can write articles, I can write videos, but this process to upload this article, generate picture, because they are more or less same, this is quite annoying for me. So I was thinking, what can I do to automate it? That is why I started to explore tools, and I found that make.com is quite easy to use and really nice tool. So this is automation Galileo SEO articles from Google Sheets keywords. This is my scenario. I want to create a new Make account and create all this chain with you together online from new account, that you can see how does it work. Because if I start to do the same account, I already did some connectors here, and the main work is done. And if I even show you how did I do it here, it will not be the same if we do from the scratch. This is overview. Let's do this video super short, and I just explain the pipeline. So what do we want? We want to have post in WordPress website. If you have not WordPress, you have something different, I think it's possible, but it's better to check. If you have API, I think it's possible. I created basic website. I already did some setup. So I created website, I created all pages by myself. Just want to do regular blog here for SEO. For this, I did research for keywords. We can do it together on the next videos. I created a list of keywords fit for my blog topic. Then I connect these keywords to make.com. So what do we use? We use WordPress website, we use Google Sheets, we use Make. In here, I take these keywords, find thesis. I write a draft of the article. I have a section with links and banners, so I can add some. For example, in this project, I didn't add it yet, but I will do it a bit later when I have some traffic on the website. So I can add some internal links. I already can add some links to other articles from my blog. This is why I need this link and banners block. I will have a separate video about that. Then I write first part of the article. I write second part of the article. I combine this third part with links, promo, whatever I want, and second part of the article. After that, I create SEO title description slug. I create image prompt here, and I generate image with Nano Banana. I use Nano Banana Pro for hero image and Nano Banana standard for internal images. Then I upload main image to the website, lead article for 2 parts to create 2 more images. Then I do 2 more images and then add images to the article, select category and tags from the website, finalize its tags, and I create post on website, get post link, and post it in Google Sheets. So in the end, I have date when post was created, category tag, site URL, image URL, status when it's published, and prompt meta. This is the name of my scenario in Make. So if I have some question, I can know that, okay, this was created by this scenario. It runs daily at 2 p.m. 25 minutes every day. The script routes automatically and write an article. So I prepared around 100 keywords here. Every day it writes an article. It is not perfect content, what I want to say. So when I write articles by myself, of course it is much better. If you already wrote some articles, you can, instead of writing from the scratch, you can rewrite your article, for example, or you can use your article and just add some links, banners, images, whatever. But I think this make pipeline quite good and it works pretty well. I'd like to share how did I do it, which tools did I use: Google Sheets, WordPress, make.com, ChatGPT, Nano Banana. That's all tools that I used here. On next videos we will go step by step how did I do it, and I explain it. This is super cool if you have SEO blog. I can do a little spoiler that I have already other scenarios to do post in social media. I have a bit slightly different scenario of how to create articles from social media posts. So it should be pretty interesting. This is like what I'm working on last couple of months, and super interesting. I really like it, and I would like to share my schemas and automations with you. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you on the next video. Bye bye.